Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ma'am and friend. Introduction me, Lailatul Maghfirah, NIM 203222015 from the third semester of Mathematics Education Study Program. I would like to present a presentation of the result of the identification of the journal. From the first, and that is titled A Literature Review Exploring the Use of Programming in Mathematics Education. Tema Exploring Use of Programming in Mathematics Education. Research problem, English article about mathematics education. Reaching to fourth industrial revolution within characterized by a range of new technology that are fusing the spatial, digital, and biology work, influencing our disciplines, economy, and industry. Consequently, English article about mathematics education. Besides results, discuss four different dominant and for studying on the education potential of programming in mathematics education, the student motivation to learn mathematics, the student perform in mathematics, and the collaboration between student and the change role on the teacher. Article dimension student interest, attitude, mindset, contribution, engagement, joy or happiness in learning mathematics are discussed under the motivation category. Study performs refers to student academic achievement as measured qualitatively in the result as well as improvement in student mathematics. Thinking and problem-solving skill based on similar quantitative and qualitative data, such as classroom observation, teacher and student interview, and teacher and research logs. In research, collaboration between student and the check role of the teacher are discussed as potential in student learning processes in mathematics. Conclusion, the fourth industrial revolution will create both opportunity and challenge. We have to adapt this change, and we must understand new technology and acquire skills such as critical thinking, computation thinking, and interdisciplinary to handle the change. Suggestion for future studies into consider students' collective learning process in mathematics through program activities by also discussing the influence of the role on the teacher in student learning process. The lack of the article 1. The article does deal with programming, coding, or robots. 2. The article does not deal with student activities. 3. The article does not outline a race testing and race questing, or this article are often expression based. Next, in journal Influence of Game-Based Learning in Mathematics Education on Student Affective Domain, a system review. Tema: The effect of game-based learning in mathematics education. Research program innovation for time to time so that a method in net to avoid active learning in mathematics education. The set result from the problem above are 1. Extent of the student considering the abstract domain. 2. Journal published student considering the abstract domain. 3. Influence of game-based learning at the abstract domain. 4. Histogram used to measure the influence of game-based learning of the abstract domain. Next consideration, the systematic review indicates completely positive influence of game-based learning on student activities domain. Students with mixed results according to their authors are most influenced by inappropriate instrument. Mistakes with the game design or spend condition within the study groups. Based on this, the author can conclude that if test limit for tests are not present, then it is like the positive influence of game-based learning will be recorded in student active domain. Therefore, prof present instruments, selection of student program and game missing are recommended for the research of the topic of the influence of game-based learning. Suggestion better and giving games to students better in accordance with the material back studied and making the game fun but understanding student in the material present. The light of the article, the limitation of the student concurrent to focus on journal article. To smarten other sources and books, chapter, and conference paper. Moreover, this study focused only on article written in English. The author was also not able to include articles that were not options, which again limit the sample. However, the include database, scopes, and web of sessions are highly representative, and English is used in most of the sensitive journals. Therefore, this limitation does not influence the overall operation nature of the study. Next, journal a title a qualitative analysis of student mathematics program solving ability on geometry. Tema: analysis of mathematical problem solving ability of student in one of secondary school and geometry. Research problem that the level of achievement of the mathematics problem solving about in geometry still low. Research result. The result of these research showed the percentage of achievement of in question mathematics problem solving ability of students were 1. Solve close mathematics problem with context in mathematics was 50%. 2. Solve closed mathematics problem with context outside mathematics was 24%. 3. Solving open mathematics problem with context in mathematics was 35%. And 4. Solving open mathematics problem with context outside mathematics was 45%. Based on the percentage of achievement of each indicator. Conclusion, it can be called that the level of engagement of student mathematics problem solving ability on geometry was still low with an average of the indicator raised 39%. This is because students are not used to solving problems with mature mathematics problem solving ability, recognize, remember, refuse, knowledge, and lack of problem solving framework. Suggestion alternative was to can be due to the fourth block, the ability of mathematics problem solving was train the student by getting used to solving problems. They measure the problem ability and familiarize students to reject the result of student text. The length of the article, several efforts to improving mathematics problem solving ability are the teacher should not only pay attention to students who have it, but also ability and should be able to decide innovative learning that suit all the characteristics of students. Teacher need to quit students not to be easily dissuaded in improving problem-solving ability by providing training and teacher rightly in solving problems that measure problem-solving ability. The teacher should also ask to check the husband to minimize error in the solution of the problem. Next, evaluation of mathematics communication ability in the environment blended learning in algebra. Tema, describe the mathematical communitas skill of student in the blended learning environment of algebra courses. Research problem, mathematics in a problem that we get in everyday life, tasks, and viewing, buying, and selling activities, deployment, and much more. With this, we thought we could communication is a very important role in learning mathematics. Namely, 1. Mathematics in language. 2. Mathematics as a social activity. 3. Tools to organize and conciliate student mathematics thinking. And 4. Tools to construct mathematics knowledge. Develop problem solving, increases reason, foster self-confidence, and improve social skills. Research result. The result of the student and president according to predetermined mathematical communicational indicator. In general, mathematics communication of students in algebra subject in the functional material in the learning environment on blended learning is still lacking for students from high school majoring in social students and students from vocational school. For students who come from science school is good. Conclusion: learning independency is very necessary in learning a blended learning environment. Through blended learning, mathematical communication can be both that assessment and discussion activity both online and online. Student communication skill can be analyzed using mathematical communication indicator. A good mathematical communication in the ability to use mathematical symbols. They are used to form a formula. Mathematical communication skills that need to be developed are 1. The ability to plan a action in terms of writing what is now and what is asked. The ability to ask formal in action with the student of material. The ability to manipulate problems into the form of image, graphic on algebra formula. The ability to determine the right settlement strategy for each problem. Suggestion: so the learning can run as explained by teacher with the mixed learning method in the better to ask mathematical language that a student can understand, such as making videos discussing material online, using everyday language with offline, and for example on activity problem that we often use paging. The lack of the article learning with balance learning student learning independent is not maximized. Students are still lacking confidence. This can be noted when give the text to display the result of work not directly called on but mouse the cursor. Next, the journal in the next journal, the title Technology Integration in Mathematics Education, examining the quality of meta-analytic research. Tema: evaluate the methodological quality of meta-analysis in mathematics education research. Research problem: the use of technology in the classroom is an important part of students' success in mathematics. Meta-analysis that get on the integration of technology in the mathematics classroom have improved significantly. Research result from the result of the analysis was involved the result between groups. The effect score was called to the categorical variable for article has a score of 26, while those applied by unplaced have a effect score of 22. Conclusion: as the field of mathematics education moves forward, technology will evolve as well. Thus, we are researchers and consumers of research must have valid and relevant data to make instructional and classroom decisions. Suggestion: hopeful in the provide more advanced information for today's world and in the future. The likes of the article, the drawback in using language that is difficult for readers to understand. Next, journal quality in mathematics education. Tema: comparison of journal quality in mathematics education. Research problem: the segment of result quality is an integral part of decision making. The wicked alert from raising of for a journal in the respective field such as mathematics education. Research result: the Jeremy and Yesen are the two most created and requested journals in our flight by a substantial margin. They can reasonably be called very high-quality journals. 5 other journals, GMD, GMD, MTL, and FLM, complex and strong cause of high-quality journal. Conclusion: the Jeremy and SMA are the two most great and respected journals in our family by substantial margin. They can reasonably be called very high-quality journal. Segment more as language that can be understood better and a more organized way of presentation so that readers can observe within discussion in the journal. The lack of the article, the drawback in using language that is difficult for readers to understand. Next, emerging perspective on the construction of power and corn in interlinked skills, mathematics education, and skills education. Tema: examination of significant change in research in learning science, mathematics education, and scientification that is currently paying attention. Research problem: test work that empty a new sense of theoretical and methodology possibilities and dilemmas, believing the iteration of critical social theory and the methodology applied of interaction analysis and microgenetic analysis. Research result collectivity. This article provides an empirical basis for understanding the geometry relations between macro-level structures and ideology and micro-level interaction. Conclusion: review also underscore that in interaction in learning, even our political and ethical and our learning environment are set of politics and ethics. Take together, the article gives attention learning to decline the architecture and learning of political ethics and ideology. Suggestion: the language used solve the language can be understood by the reader. The length of the article, the drawback in using Latin is disclosed for that to understand. So my presentation is more of like sorry to classwork. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.